Hi everybody! Join me for this sweet little yin class. I'm Nora Day. Okay, we're gonna come and lay on our backs right away. So come on down with me onto our backs. Hugging both knees in. Holding onto the front of your shins. Let's rock side to side. Really gentle rocking. Yin is a beautiful practice. I love doing yin. Yin, we hold these deep stretches and breathe through them to gain flexibility and to quiet our minds. Let's hug the right knee into your chest, extend the left leg. Just warming up the body a little bit. We're holding this right knee into our chest. These clean breaths open up the inner body. They also open up your head, help you think clear. Switching sides. Right leg extends, hug the left knee into the body. I'm not pushing, I'm not tugging. I'm just sitting with the pose, taking my inhales and exhales. Again, this is a quiet practice, quieting the mind. Stretching the body, making space in the body. Lots of times we're hunched over on our computers. Maybe we don't have the best posture. So all this yin helps us open up and regain flexibility and keep that beautiful posture, standing tall, standing strong, confident in our lives. Hug both knees back in, rocking gently side to side. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. To see the full-length class, go to yoginora.com, and you will also see some other great yoga classes.